Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get an OCBC bank statement. First, log in to your account and open the OCBC digital app. Once you are logged in, tap on the account or the menu. After that, tap on account. For example, saving account, current account or credit card, and find the statement section. Look for the option that says statement, e-statement or document. Tap that option. Select the month or the date range you need. For example, last month, the last 3 months, or a customer date range. Download the statement. Tap download or view PDF. Your statement will open as a PDF file. Save it to your phone. If you prefer, you can visit OCBC bank branch, bring your identity and bank card, ask the staff for the bank statement, tell them the period you need. They will print it for you. In some cases, there may be a small fee. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.